Hello and welcome to this B1 Usability Package Tip of the Week session. Today's week is week 26 of 2010, and in this session I will show you how to go into the business partner master data and have the balance become red if it's actually above the credit limit. So let's see it in action, and then let's see how to actually do this. So here we have business 1, and let's go into the business partner master data window and see a business partner. So I navigate to business partner, and we can see here that the account balance is right now 100,000 roughly for Norm Thompson, and in this case he has a credit limit of 200,000, so it actually should be no problem. But let's try to go to the next one, which is Parameter Technologies. They actually have a credit limit of 50,000, but right now they have a balance of 70,000, and you can see by using this small trick we can actually make it red so it's more visible instead of you needing to go and compare these two all the time. So how did we do this? Well, we needed two primary things. We needed, of course, to go up and do the system information, have it active, and then we need to find what data we are actually working with. So in this case it's business partner master data. So in the lower left corner you can see that's form type 134. And the two fields we are working on is this field 26 for the account balance, and for payment terms we will see that it's actually 85. So now we have what we need. So what we need to do is we need to go to administration, add-ons, usability package, model configuration, B1 validation configuration. So what I've done here is I've given a new validation. The name would be color balance depending on the credit limit. We put in form type 134, which was the business partner master data. We did the all modes and doing data load, because doing data load, that is when we switch to the new business partners. And since we want to have it on the new one that we're actually showing, we need to do it in action success, so it's after it's actually been presented to us. Then we do a little simple SQL condition saying that if the number presented in item 26 is higher than the number presented in item 85, which was the credit limit, we just say it should show the field in red, else it should show the field in black. Then we have the two condition results. If we want to have it in red, we use a macro, and the macro, for those who are not aware of it, have a command called for-color. For-color means that you can actually color the text of a field, while we also have a back color that you can color the background of the field. So if you wanted to have it even more stand out, you could actually make the entire field red instead of just the text. But in this case I've chosen the for-color, so I say that my field, which was 26, should be red. And of course I need to have it back into black if it's not. So I have a similar universal function of macro with the for-color setting it to black. And that's basically it. You can see we can just work through our different business partners and it will just show the data, all depending on the type of customer, of course. In this case they haven't put anything in, but again Norm Thompson didn't have, so when we actually run to that, it saw that this field was smaller than this field, and that for that reason it made it black. In this case, when we went to this one, this was bigger than this one, so it made it red. So a very nice little feature that you can have in the system, and make it more interesting for the customer and more easy to see who is above their credit limit and who is not. So thank you for attending this session. For training material, please go to the service.boyum.it.com/education, and for a free demo license you can go and get the license on license.boyum.it.com/b1up. you need to contact us, you can contact us on either our sales email or our support email. Thank you.